How to washing clothes properly. Proper washing of clothes involves sorting items by color and fabric, checking care labels, using the correct water temperature and detergent amount, and choosing appropriate cycles to minimize cleanliness while minimizing damage, fading, or shrinking. This practice ensures garment longevity and effective cleaning, often referred to as garment care, laundry maintenance, or garment preservation. Key components of proper washing clothes. Sort clothes, separate laundry into whites, lights, darks, and delicate items to avoid color transfer and damage. Check labels, always follow manufacturer instructions regarding water temperature, cycle type, and drying methods. Pre-treat stains. Treat stains before washing to improve removal success. Select proper temperature. Use cold water for dark and delicate items to prevent fading and damage. Use warm or hot water for heavily soiled items and whites. Avoid overloading. Leave space in the machine for clothes to remove freely for better cleaning. Use proper detergent amount. Too much detergent can leave residue. Use appropriate amount for the load size. Examples of proper washing procedures. Wool delicates. Wash in cold water in a delicate cycle using a neutral detergent and avoid overloading. Heavily soiled clothes, towels, wash in warm or hot water to ensure cleanliness. New colored clothes, wash separately or with similar color for the first few washes to avoid bleeding. Denim, wash inside out to maintain color. Synonyms and related terms. Garment care, the overall process of taking care of clothing. Laundry maintenance, regularly cleaning clothes properly. Fabric care, specialized care based on the material. Garment preservation, methods used to prolong the life of clothes. Laundry maintenance, the overall process of keeping clothes clean. Common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring care labels. This can lead to ruined garments. Overloading the washer. Prevents proper cleaning. Using too much detergent causes buildup, which can damage fabrics. Mixing dark light colors leads to color transfer. Thank you. This is Vanessa Vegas Daily Vlog. Until next time.